In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add Google Calendar events to Notion with Zapier. If you're tired of copying calendar details into Notion by hand, this walkthrough will help you set it up once and let it run in the background. We'll connect Google Calendar to Notion using Zapier so that every new event instantly becomes a database item, complete with the key details you choose. Start on your Zapier dashboard and create a new Zap. This is the automation container that links apps together. We're going to build a simple two-step flow, a trigger from Google Calendar and an action in Notion. For the trigger, choose Google Calendar and select New Event. This tells Zapier to watch your calendar and react whenever something is added. It's the starting signal for the whole workflow. Connect your Google account and pick the specific calendar you want Zapier to monitor. This is important if you have multiple calendars, like personal and work. Then run a test trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent event so you can see the data it will use, such as the title, date, time, description, and attendees. If nothing appears, try adding a quick test event to your calendar and test again. Next, add the action and choose Notion. Select Create Database Item. This step is what actually writes a new row into your Notion database every time the trigger fires. Connect your Notion account and choose the database where you want events to land. It helps if your database already has properties that match what you plan to send, like a name field, a date property, and optional fields for notes or people. Now, map the fields from Google Calendar to Notion. Map the event title to the name property. Map the start date and time to your date property. If you'd like, send the event description into a notes or text field, and map attendees to a people property if you use one. If your people property doesn't align with how your workspace manages users, you can instead map attendees to a text or multi-select property. When everything looks right, click Test Action to create a sample item in Notion and confirm the formatting. When your test looks good, turn on the Zap. From this point forward, saving a new event in Google Calendar will automatically create a corresponding item in your chosen Notion database. No manual copying required. To recap, Google Calendar detects a new event. Zapier carries the details across, and Notion records them as a database item. This simple automation keeps your projects and schedule in sync, saves time, and helps you stay organized effortlessly.